Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have a game changer in cable management, the Velcro brand One-Wrap cable ties. If you're tired of messy cords and cables cluttering your home, office, or data center, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we explore why these cable ties are the best in the market. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the Velcro brand One-Wrap cable ties. These cable ties come in a pack of 100, and they are 8 inches long by 1/2 inch wide, making them incredibly versatile for various applications. The sleek black design adds a touch of professionalism to your cable organization. Now, let's talk about the key features that make these cable ties stand out from the competition. These cable ties are designed for fast and efficient cable management. They're self-fastening and make it a breeze to contain and store cords and wires securely. Say goodbye to messy tangles. Whether you're looking to tidy up your home, office, or data center, these ties are ideal for cord organization. They're perfect for wire management and keeping those extra long cords out of the way to prevent tripping hazards. Trusted by data and network centers worldwide, these cable ties are known for their strength and reliability. The best part? They are reusable and repositionable, allowing for convenient access when arranging your computer, appliances, or electronic wires. These pre-cut ties are a cinch to use. With an easy-to-use slotted head, simply insert the rounded end through the hole and pull the strap tight. It wraps onto itself for a secure hold, keeping your cables neatly bundled. These versatile cable ties can be used indoors or outdoors. Whether it's in your home, shed, garage, or office, they are up for the task of keeping your space organized and clutter-free. Now, let's talk about the value for money. With 100 cable ties in a pack, you're getting a cost-effective solution for all your cable management needs. No more running out of ties when you need them the most. And speaking of value, these ties have received an impressive 4.7-star rating from over 34,000 satisfied customers. They praise the ties for their value, cord length, adhesion, and ease of use. Before we proceed, it's essential to note that these cable ties are designed for use in the US. If you're outside the US, you may need an adapter or converter for compatibility. So please check before purchasing. These Velcro brand One-Wrap cable ties are currently in stock and ready to be delivered to your doorstep. If you're in India, you can expect delivery between December 6th and 15th. And here's the best part. These cable ties are currently offered at a 15% discount, priced at just $9.90 for a pack of 100. That's only 10 cents per tie. So, you're not only getting the best cable ties, but you're also getting them at a fantastic price. If you're looking for related products, you can check out Velcro brand's other offerings, including white Velcro brand tape, sticky dots, and more. They have a wide range of solutions for your bundling and organizing needs. Before we wrap things up, let's take a quick look at the Velcro brand. They are known for their reusable straps and ties, offering a neat and simple way to bundle, secure, and carry all sorts of clutter in your life. Whether it's smaller cable ties or heavy-duty storage straps, they have a solution for every project. Finally, let's take a quick look at what customers are saying. With over 34,000 global ratings, these cable ties have earned a stellar 4.7 out of 5 stars. Customers love the grip strength, ease of use, and the fact that they are reusable. To sum it up, the Velcro brand One-Wrap cable ties are the ultimate solution for your cable management needs. With their ease of use, reusability, and versatility, they have earned their spot as the best cable ties in the market. And with the current discount, there's never been a better time to get organized. So, don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Click the link in the description below to grab your pack of Velcro brand One-Wrap cable ties today. Keep your space clutter-free, stay organized, and thank us later. This has been Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review. Happy organizing!